I'll show you our QR code door lock system from Hotel-Doorman how it works. Here we have our scanner. Here I have my QR code. I just show it, and when it beeps, I go in. Here is our electric opener, which is simply connected to the scanner and only needs power and Wi-Fi. For the use and installation of our QR code door lock system from Hotel-Doorman, it is not necessary to change the existing door constellation. I can keep my existing cylinder and lock as an emergency solution in case there is a power failure or no internet. Furthermore, we only need an electric opener from us and the scanner, which is connected to power and Wi-Fi. Plug and play without much effort. This innovative door lock system is particularly suitable for hotels, Airbnb, holiday apartments and holiday properties. When using booking portals, our system automatically sends a QR code with the booking confirmation.